IPG is one of the largest vertically integrated tape manufacturers in North America. Under our globally recognized Better Packages brand of water-activated tape dispensers, we have developed the Auto H20 Case Sealer series. It's widely acknowledged a case sealed with water-activated tape is the most secure and sustainable closure method. Our Auto H20 series delivers automation in applications where security, efficiency, and high-quality closure are key to an operation's success. We are pleased to introduce the RSA 3023 WAT, a user-friendly operator-fed machine designed to apply reinforced water-activated tape to random case sizes. It features a rapid throughput speed of up to 18 cases per minute, utilizing a variable speed drive with belt encoder. This design enhancement allows for speed changes in the taping sequence, adapting to box quality and tape conditions. The RSA 3023 WAT can accommodate a wide operating range of 3.5-inch minimum height and 30-inch maximum width case sizes. The machine comes standard with low tape, no tape, and water fill sensing with stack light alerting operators to those conditions. For cases that do not require taping, a foot pedal operated pass-through mode is included. Other world-class features consist of a powered tape unwind for consistent control and performance, a patented adhesive activation technology resulting in reliable tape wet down, reducing taper failures, an HMI for quick parameter changes and troubleshooting assistance, the pneumatic indexing gate ensuring proper carton spacing, a unique clear jam button streamlining any malfunction or misfeed, a guarding package keeping operators safe but still allowing easy access for maintenance, a bottom roll carriage that slides out for simple roll replacement, 3 operating modes, top only, bottom only, or top and bottom taping. Sealing cartons with water-activated tape is faster, easier, and applied better than ever before. When you compare features, benefits, and value, the Better Packages Auto H20 series is the right choice for operators, engineers, maintenance, and purchasing. Built to last with heavy-duty construction, our innovative case sealers combined with IPG brands of water-activated tapes provide a system solution that is unmatched in the market. Count on IPG.